Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 2 of 10. Company, Users, and Apps. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. Before a quotation, Odoo needs to know who you are. Open Settings. Company name, street, VAT, currency, and the document layout sit here. Those values print on every PDF. Get them right once. Users are people. Each person gets a login and access groups. A salesperson should not need the full chart of accounts. A warehouse user should not need payroll. Admin is for the person who installs apps and changes settings, not for everyone. Apps is the catalog. You install sales, purchase, inventory, invoicing when you need them. Installing 20 apps on day one makes the home menu noisy and the training longer. Start with the document flow. Add CRM, project, or point of sale when the core works. Multi-company is for real legal entities, not for every warehouse. Languages and time zones live in settings too. Set them before you invite the team. Only setup apps are visible in this episode. Settings, apps, contacts, employees. Settings is company data, users, and how Odoo behaves. Apps is where you install the next piece of the platform, not a second ERP. Takeaways. Set company and currency first. Give groups, not blanket admin install sales, inventory, and invoicing before the rest. Setup is in place. Watch episode 3 next. Contacts and products. That is master data. Every quotation, delivery, and invoice points at a customer and a product. If those cards are messy, every document after them is messy. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.